Are you following me? Are you following me? Hi. Can you say bye-bye? That's good waving. Say bye-bye. Dada. Where did Dada go? Paige, did Dada go bye-bye? Did Dada go bye-bye? You're just busy. There she goes, round. Whoop. Hit an obstacle. Up. Round the couch. Nope. Gonna make a pit stop. Who is that? Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Okay.